Is it too good to be true? Is the Yeezy 350 V1 Turtle making a comeback? Or is this cat? We're gonna talk about it right after this.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it. Let me see it. Her main goal.
So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Moises. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys stopping through, and if you could do me a big favor before we get started, if you could just hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon, so when I drop new notifications, you guys will be the first one to be notified. So today we are gonna talk about the Yeezy 350 V1 Turtle coming back. Is the Turtle Dove coming back? I don't know, guys, but that's what's going around. I reported on the Turtle Dove rumors that were going around that it might be making a comeback this year. So it's looking like the Turtle Dove is going to be coming back in 2022. Summer is what I am hearing. As you guys know, this has never been restocked since it's been released. It's gonna be a hot ticket, guys. You know this is gonna sell out fast. I'm not sure if the restock pairs are gonna be high. I highly doubt it since it's never been restocked. So there's still gonna be limited pair. And I still think the resale on these are still gonna be bananas like they've been already. Do you guys like the 350 V1 or do you like the 350 V2s better? I'm kind of caught in between. I'm not sure. I don't know. I wasn't able to get a pair of 350 V1s of the Pirate or the Turtle Dove, so I actually haven't seen them in person, so I don't know how dope they really are and how I can compare them to the 350 V2s. But to be honest, in my estimate of things, I think it's going to be a close call on which pair is better or not. So we're going to see if that when these guys drop, what they're going to retail for. My guess is it's going to be around the same price as the 350 V2s, or I don't see it going no higher than 250, to be honest. But we're going to see. In other news, we have a image of the Yeezy Foam Runner Sulfur color, and I think this looks amazing. I haven't been able to get a pair of foam runners, unfortunately. Confirmed just hasn't been my friend. I haven't been able to hit. Only thing I've been able to hit, like I told you guys on Confirm, is the Oreos, and I don't even know how I hit, because it was like on 95% for like 2 hours, and then I just got a notification after I stopped looking at my phone and stalking my phone. But the Yeezy Foam Runners Sulfur color, take a look at this, guys. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm loving the color. Let me know if you guys are loving the color. So it got a yellow greenish kind of feel. So as you know, the Yeezy Foam Runner Sulfurs will be dropping in full family sizing. So adults will be $90, kids will be $65, and toddlers will be, I believe, $45. And then moving along, on April 18th, we have the Yeezy Minivan Geo. Now, as you guys can see, we now have a video clip of how it's gonna look on hand, and it looks like it's gonna be like a purplish, silver grayish kind of feel mixed in together. I think this actually looks good. I was kind of on the fence about them at first because they just look like they were going to be basic, but I actually like the mixture of the colors together. I actually don't have a shoe like that, so I might cop these also. These are going to be in full family sizing. Also, adults are going to be $230, kids $160, and toddlers $140. So you know, we got some good potential drops. My most anticipated for the month of April, of course, is the Yeezy Foam Runner, because I don't have a pair for retail. So hopefully I'll get a pair for retail. Let's pray to the sneaker gods that Confirm likes me this month. So we'll see what's up. But comment below. Let me know what you guys are anticipating, what you're going to be going for. if it's gonna be the Zebras, the foam runners, the minivans, or if you're gonna try to get all three. I don't think anybody's trying to get the monocarbon though. Let me know what you guys think. It's your boy Moises. I'm getting out of here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon so when I drop new notifications, you'll be the first one to know and become part of the La Familia gang. I'll see y'all on the next one.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it.